Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Facebook landing page, only way. Open your Facebook page, choose a clear objective, and select the landing page template to begin. Customize header images, add concise headlines, and place a single call to action above the fold. Use 2-3 social proof elements, keep forms short, and test mobile layout before publishing live. Monitor clicks, tweak copy weekly, and focus on a single conversion goal for consistent results. Begin with a strong headline and a supporting subhead that explains value quickly. Select a hero image or simple graphic that reinforces the message without distracting from the CTA. Limit choices on the page to reduce decision fatigue and drive the desired action more predictably. Add a short form with visible labels and minimal fields to improve completion rates. Finally, preview on multiple devices and ensure fast load times for best performance. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and hit like to support more content and to see future tutorials. Quick recommendation. The Simple Path to Wealth is a practical book that can change how you think about money and budgeting, and it pairs well with learning business tools. Check the description for the link and other deals, then grab a moment to subscribe if you liked this tip. Now let's get back to the video. Start small by testing one element at a time so you can learn what matters most. Implement the Facebook Pixel and Verify events to measure real conversions and cost per result. Run simple A/B tests on headlines, imagery, and CTA copy, and let data guide your decisions. Combine quantitative results with quick user feedback to uncover friction points. Keep changes incremental and focus on the metric tied to your conversion goal for continuous improvement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.